last day here in Pattaya, guys, and we are going to let her swim. Before we check out, we just had our breakfast and it's 8:40 na umaga. Actually, yung check out time namin is 12 pa naman. So, before kami pupuntang Bangkok, mag-swimming muna dito si Mishka. Okay.
Some days we wake up slowly, coffee waiting by the door, little moments, little stories that are worth remembering more. From our kitchen to the highways, from our home to somewhere new, every day becomes a memory when I'm here with you. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we roam, sometimes the best place is home. Wherever this life takes us, we'll make it ours together. This is JB's life, our little world, our way of life. Jay and Abby and Mishka too, making memories, me and you. From quiet days to skies so wide, come along and enjoy the ride. Wherever we go, whatever we do, JB's life is here with you. There's something cooking in the kitchen, there's a suitcase by the door. Maybe today we stay together, maybe tomorrow we explore new places.
So we are going to North Pattaya Terminal, bus terminal right now. And then we'll see later what time we will arrive in Bangkok. Now it's
10:10.
10:10.
Some days we wake up slowly, coffee waiting by the door, little moments, little stories that are worth remembering more. From our kitchen to the highways, from our home to somewhere new, every day becomes a memory when I'm here with you. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we roam, sometimes the best place is home. Wherever this life takes us, we'll make it ours together. This is JB's life, our little world, our way of life. Jay and Abby and Mishka too, making memories, me and you. From quiet days to skies so wide, come along and enjoy the ride. Wherever we go, whatever we do, JB's life is here with you. There's something cooking in the kitchen, there's a suitcase by the door. Maybe today we stay together, maybe tomorrow we explore new places, different faces, new stories waiting to be told. But the greatest part of every journey is the family we hold. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we roam, sometimes the best place is home. Wherever this life takes us, we'll make it ours together. This is JB's life, our little world, our way of life. Jay and Abby, Mishka too, making memories, me and you. From quiet days to skies so wide, come along and enjoy the ride. Wherever we go, whatever we do, JB's life is here with you.
We arrived here in Bangkok, guys. So ito yung kanilang bus stand dito. Bus terminal, North Bus Terminal. And nag-CR kami ni Mishka. Sobrang linis na kanilang toilet. Air-condition pa. Merong bayad na 5 baht per person. So dalawa kami ni Mishka. So I paid 10 baht. Pero sobrang linis. As in, sobrang ganda ng CR nila. So hindi ka makakapasok unless magbabayad ka sa parang toll gate na maliit. So ngayon naghihintay lang kami ng aming Grab. Sige, yung Grab or Bolt? Bolt. Kasi mas cheaper siya para sa Grab. Yung binook ni Abhi is XL na sasakyan. Kasi kanina, mula dun sa hotel namin, yung binook niya maliit. We are not accepting kasi yung luggage namin, 3. Tapos meron pa kaming backpack na 2. Hindi siya magkasya sa maliit. So yung malaking sasakyan dapat yung i-book namin. So we're just waiting. So, ito yung kanilang ticket counter dito. And doon kami bumaba. Yan yung bus namin, yung blue. It's 2:05. And umalis kami kanina sa Pattaya ng 11:40. It's now 2:05. So, sabi na Abdi, medyo malapit lang daw yung hotel namin dito. Mga 10-15 minutes from the bus stand. Ekamay bus stand. Now traffic. Can you see that? Number 2. Now it's green. Green means go.
Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we roam, sometimes the best place is home. Wherever this life takes us, we'll make it ours together. This is JB's life, our little world, our way of life. Jay and Abby, Mishka too, making memories, me and you, from quiet days to sky so wide. Come along and enjoy the ride. Wherever we go, whatever we do, JB's life is here with you. And years from now, when we look back at every road and every track, we'll see the smiles, the tears, the fun, and know our story had begun. Not a perfect life, just ours, made of ordinary, beautiful lives.
Daddy, I have the booking. That's drinking water. This one is butterfly pea drink. Wanna try? Try it. Try it. We need passport for checking in. $603. Made me look for 603. It's dark. Yeah. Thank you very much. Where's our card? This is our room. We have TV, our bed, living area. They have fridge. Okay. And
a fridge.
this is our view. Oh, we are in front Terminal 21 Mall, Han?
Yeah.
Oh. Meron din palang Terminal 21 na mall dito. Same mall na pinupuntahan namin dun sa Pattaya. And here's the toilet and bath. It's clean.
It's just bathtub.
No bathtub, baby. No bathtub. Yung previous hotel namin, merong bathtub. So now, she is checking if meron kaming bathtub. No, we don't have bathtub.
This coffee. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. So now we're ready to go out and explore Bangkok.
Ground.
So we only have less than 2 days here in Bangkok, guys. So we have to make the most out of our stay here because tomorrow night we are leaving. So today and tomorrow morning, I'm not sure if tomorrow morning we still have time. But tonight, dapat marami kaming magawa dito sa Bangkok. Not really so much, but should explore and experience things here in
City.
Bangkok, in the city. We're waiting for our cabs. Huh? 4 minutes pa. Here's our cab. Thank you. Thank you.
Daddy, can I eat this?
Namaste. Girlfriend. Philippines, Thailand. India. Oh, good. Handsome man, handsome.
Only one wife only.
Oh.
Philippines.
I'm Philippines.
So now we are going to a market. What is the name of the market, huh?
Platinum Mall, I guess.
Let me see. Platinum Mall.
No left, no taxi ni.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So where is the Platinum Mall? Straight.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. ขอบคุณครับ
Salamat. Salamat. Okay. Oh, nice. We are here at Central World. We have to go there. Tapos let's go ano tayo, overpass. This is really a place full of tourists. Nice. Platinum Pier, the market, Bangkok. So, siguro dito kami kailangan pumunta. Platinum. Parang dito na floor ata, mga cosmetics lahat, guys. So now we have to go up.
Should we go check in this place?
We are checking if we went inside the correct mall kasi parang konti yung mga tinda dito. We are in the right mall. It's only that meron silang zone 1, zone 2, and nasa zone 3 kami. So, kailangan namin bumaba sa 3rd floor and then take left daw. First floor. Kasi parang konti yung mga tinda nila dito. Sabi namin baka nagkamali kami ng pinasukan. This is the one. Is this the one? Yeah, I think so. I think this is the Pratunam. Correct? Pratunam Market. Kasi mas cheaper daw dito compared doon sa loob ng Platinum Mall.
Sabi Thailand.
So have this and this Thailand. Like Papa, this one na?
Medium.
Medium size. Papa, okay.
Yeah, this one is good, huh? Big size. Now she needs to buy pasalubong for her cousins.
Good Mishka.
Michelle?
What is that?
Slime. Slime you can get in India also, Mimi. Where's your shopping bag? I bought her Minnie Mouse headband kasi yan yung gusto niya. We'll show you later, guys, what else we have bought here. We are just waiting for our cup. Umuna kami dito sa McDonald's kasi nakakapagod yung pag-ikot simula kanina. Mga 2-3 hours kami siguro andito sa Platinum Mall. We are not yet heading to the hotel. Daddy said we are going somewhere else. Surprise.
I thought because tomorrow, anyways, we will not be staying outside long. We will be in a hurry of
Okay.
Is
Sabi ni Mishka, can we stay here for 20 days pa daw? You wanna stay here or you want to go Philippines?
go to Philippines.
Philippines. Gusto niyang Philippines.
And Philippines, not India.
Why?
Because I like Philippines. Because I like to play with Mana Casey.
And what else do you like in Philippines?
I like playing with Bob, Mana Bro, Mana Ejiboy, Mana Puta, Mana Janen.
So many cousins, no? So many cousins Mimi is having in the Philippines.
And also my Midnight
But they're in India.
I'm having two blood. One is Filipino, one is India.
Very good, Mimi. How did you know that?
You tell me.
Oh, I told her. Hindi ko na maalala. And she said she's having 2 blood. One is Filipino and one is India. Very good si Mishka. Hindi ko na maalala if sinabi ko pa yun sa kanya or kung kailan. Market. Market? So, dito kami ngayon sa Asiatic. Oh, wow! Daddy found a good place for us to chill and stroll. Nice. Basta sabi tayo kapag plano, ang dami niyang magagandang nakikita. Ooh, it's a choo-choo train! Choo-choo! Ha? Nice place. Nice. There's big Ferris wheel also, Mishi, oh, backside. Let's go here, baby. Jurassic World. $6.99. $6.99. Huh? That is bigger. Kailangan siguro namin mag-add ng aming bagahe. So better we'll get luggage. Ito $6.99 lang siya. Others are $7.99 and ito $8.99. Huh? Yeah, this is okay. Maybe this is the last one, huh? Mostly na mga turista dito, guys. May mga bit-bit din na luggage. One additional luggage. Ito na lang yung available na color kasi ano na siya, guys, naka-sale $6.99 lang. So ito na lang yung kinuha namin. Yung iba na pang hand carry yung size $7.99, $8.99. So ito $6.99 lang. So okay na to.
Some days we wake up slowly, coffee waiting by the door, little moments, little stories that are worth remembering more. From our kitchen to the highways, from our home to somewhere new, every day becomes a memory when I'm here with you. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we roam, sometimes the best place is home. Wherever this life takes us, we'll make it ours together. This is JB's life, our little world, our way of life. Jay and Abby and Mishka too, making memories, me and you. From quiet days to skies so wide, come along and enjoy the ride. Wherever we go, whatever we do, JB's life is here with you.
Guys, we're waiting for our Uber. 10:26 ng gabi. As usual, yung aming dinner, ito, takeaway, para hindi na kami matagalan. So, yung cab namin, hinintay namin, ano pa siya, 14 minutes away. And yung tuk-tuk na ganito, ano yun, yung ganyan, they are charging 300 baht. And sa Bolt or sa Grab, 150 lang. So, times 2 yung kanilang price. So, sabi namin, maghintay na lang kami ng aming cab. Malaki yung difference kung mag-tuk-tuk kami kaysa sa paghihintay namin sa aming cab. Time check tayo. It's 11:10 ng gabi. Kadarating lang namin. Naka-dim light kami kasi si Mishka tulog na, guys. That's why nag-parcel na lang kami kasi pagkakain pa kami sa labas, mas lalo kaming matatagalan. Kinakain ko na siya kanina. Kaya ayan, nung nasasakyan kami, nakatulog na siya. So kami na lang na Abhi yung kakain. Makakapagod din yung aming lakad from 4 na lakad-lakad namin hanggang ngayon. Nakakapagod lang. But there are so many beautiful places that you can visit here in Bangkok. Yung kanilang mga malls dito, ang gaganda ng pagka-set up talaga nila.
Even at one shopping complex, it will take whole day.
Yeah, kahit sa isang lugar ka lang pumunta, it will take you full day para maikot siya and ma-savor talaga yung moment na andun ka sa lugar. At least nakapunta kami sa 2 lugar. Yun nga, yung Platinum, Mall, Platinum Market.
It is overhyped also.
It's only that, yung sa Platinum Mall, tama ba? Platinum Mall or Platinum Market. I was expecting na yung mga shopping malls dito sa Bangkok, especially yung sinasabi nila yung may mga wholesaler price na mga mall, I was expecting na super cheap yung kanilang mga tinda. But it's not really yung masasabi mong murang-mura. Kasi if I'm basing sa nabibili namin na mga damit sa India, parang same lang yung price, guys. I was expecting na sobrang mura ng mga damit dito kasi nga yung alam natin is yung mga supply sa Pilipinas is from Bangkok, Thailand. Pero hindi naman siya ganun kamura pala. May nabili lang kami konti pero hindi ganun kadami. We just wanted to experience yung vibe sa lugar na yun. Kaya kami doon pumunta. So, mamaya ko na i-haul. Mag-dinner muna kami ni Abhi. And nakabili din kami ng isang luggage. Kasi, yung isang malaking luggage namin, kasya naman siya. Pero sobrang, yung siksik siya sa loob. So, parang feeling mo, anytime mag-burst siya. So, ililipat namin yung ibang gamit doon. And kung hindi kami bumili ng isa pang maleta, wala na kami paglalagyan pa ng mga nabili namin ngayon. So, sabi namin, bibili na lang kami ng isa pang maleta. So, yung isang backpack namin, ililipat namin siya sa maleta. So, parang 4 na maleta kami. And then, isang backpack kay Abhi. And then, yung aking personal bag. Kain tayo. Kumain din kami kanina. What is that called? Shawarma?
No, we've eaten shawarma roll also, right?
Shawarma roll. Pero yung shawarma nila, merong lettuce.
Yeah.
Yun yung maganda. Tas siya is compact sa loob ba. It's full of meat. Masarap. 2 na kami ni Abhi nakakain. Ito yung nabili namin kanina, scarf. Pasalubong kina Mami and Kani. And I also got one for me. Kasi sabi ni Abhi, kumuha ka lang pala sa'yo. Ito. Medyo manipis siya, pero parang ito yung trending ngayon. Para kay Mishka. Okay. Tapos pumili din ako nito, guys. Actually, binigyan ako ng ate ko nito ng herbal na inhaler. May nagbigay sa kanya na galing sa Thailand and nagustuhan ko siya. So, bumili din ako. Last price niya is 170 baht. So, bumili ako tapos bibigyan ko sila ni Mami nito. Tapos, bumili din ako ng pajama na terno. Mga pangpasalubong sa kids. Tapos, kay Mishka, meron din siyang comb. So, same yan sila para walang away. Yung magpinsan. Mga toys. Mga maliliit na mga laruan. And then, ref magnet. And nabili din ako na earrings. 20 baht. Pwede ko kasi siyang magamit tuwing may mga festivals. Pero ang cute lang. Para may remembrance lang sa sa Thailand. Tapos, ano ko ba? Okay. Tapos, mga medyas, colorful ones. Tapos, doon kanina sa 7-Eleven, bumili sa akin ng mga spices. para matry din namin yung mga spices dito sa Thailand. Chili flakes. Ito ano to? Plaza Lid chili flakes. Tama ba yung pronunciation? Tapos, Naruk chili flakes. So, different kinds of chili flakes. Tapos, bumili din siya ng fried na onions or shallots and fried garlic. Dahil paborito din ni Mishka yung sushi sheet, guys. So, binilhan siya namin dalawa. Nasa 60 baht ito yung isang packet. 12 pieces. Tama ba? So, ito, meron siyang sweet corn flavor. Tapos, ito naman, ito yung regular na flavor. Ito yung mga nabili namin kanina. Hindi naman ganun kadami. So, anyway, dito ko na i-close yung vlog, guys. 4th day dito sa Thailand. And tomorrow, we are leaving. If you enjoy watching our vlog, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow us on our Facebook and Instagram page, JB's Life in India. Thank you so much for watching and good night. And see you on our next vlog.